This is a boy. This is a boy, and this boy is wearing a pink t-shirt and yellow shorts. So this is a pink t-shirt. These are yellow shorts. So the boy is wearing a pink t-shirt and yellow shorts. Is he wearing a blue t-shirt? No, he's not wearing a blue t-shirt. He's wearing a pink t-shirt. The boy takes off the pink t-shirt. He takes it off. So he is taking off the pink t-shirt here. He is taking it off. Is he putting on the t-shirt? No, he's not putting on the t-shirt. He is taking it off. He's taking off the t-shirt, actually. The boy now puts on a grey t-shirt. This is a grey t-shirt, and he is putting it on. He is putting on the grey t-shirt here. Is he putting on a red t-shirt? No, he's not putting on a red t-shirt. He's putting on a grey t-shirt. Now he is taking off his yellow shorts. He is taking the yellow shorts off now. Is he taking off black shorts? No, he's not taking off black shorts. He's taking off yellow shorts. And now he is putting on some blue shorts. So he is putting them on. He is putting on the blue shorts. Is he taking the blue shorts off? No, he's not taking the blue shorts off. He is putting them on. He's putting on the blue shorts. This is a bottle. This bottle here. It's a bottle, and it is a bottle with water in it. See, there is water inside the bottle. So it's a bottle with water in it. So at the top of the bottle of water, there is a lid. It is an orange lid on the top of the bottle. So there is water inside the bottle, and there is an orange lid on the top of the bottle. There is an orange lid on the top of the water bottle. And now the water bottle, now he opens the water bottle. So he opens it. He takes off the lid at the top of the water bottle here. So he opens the water bottle right now and takes the lid off. Is he putting the lid on to the water bottle? No, he's not putting the lid on. He's taking it off. This is a glass. It is a glass. It is an empty glass. The glass is empty. There is nothing in the glass because it is an empty glass. Is the glass full? Is it full, this glass? No, the glass is not full. The glass is empty. There is nothing in the glass. So he takes the water bottle with the water in it, and he pours the water out of the bottle. He pours the water into the glass now. So he takes the water bottle and he pours the water into the glass like this. And now the glass is not empty. Now the glass is not empty. Now there is water in the glass because he poured water into the glass. So he drinks the water. So he takes the glass of water, and he drinks it. He drinks the glass of water. And then he takes the water bottle, except it is an empty water bottle now. The water bottle is empty. Is the bottle full? No, it's not full. It's empty. It is an empty water bottle. And this is a bin. There is a bin here. And he throws away the bottle. He throws the empty bottle into the bin here. He throws it into the bin like this. So he just throws it away, throws it into the bin right here. This is a scooter, you know, it is an orange scooter. Is this a yellow scooter? Is that a yellow scooter? No, it's not a yellow scooter. It's an orange scooter. The scooter has two wheels. Two wheels. Here is one wheel, and here is another wheel. So there is a wheel here and a wheel here. So this scooter has two wheels. There are two wheels on this scooter. And the girl here, the girl is driving. She is driving the scooter right now. The orange scooter that has two wheels, she's driving it. She's driving forwards. She's driving forwards. Is she driving backwards? Is she going backwards? No, she's not driving backwards. She's driving forwards. So the girl is still driving. She is still driving forwards, but now she is driving uphill. She's driving uphill right now. Is she driving downhill? Is she going downhill? No, she's not driving downhill. She's driving uphill. That's what she's doing. She's driving uphill here. But now, of course, now she is driving downhill. So she's driving downhill now. Is she driving uphill? No, she's not driving uphill. She's driving downhill. This is a TV. It is a TV, yes. And so this TV, and this is the remote control. The remote control for the TV here, right? This is the remote control for the TV. This remote control, it has many buttons. Many buttons. How many buttons does the remote control have? Let's see, how many buttons? I see 1 button, 2 buttons, 3 buttons, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 buttons here, and then 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23 buttons in total. In total, there are 22 buttons on this remote control. 22 buttons here. So he takes the remote control and he turns on the TV. He turns it on. He uses the remote control. He presses this button and it turns on the TV. Turns it on here. The boy watches the TV here. You see, he is watching the TV. See right here, the TV, the TV is turned on. He turns it on, and then he watches the TV as well. After he watches the TV, then he takes the remote control again, and he turns off the TV. He turns it off. So after he watches it, then he turns it off. Turns the TV off. That is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.